Welcome to Best Reviews. Today, we fetch the top 5 coolest gadgets for your furry friend, ensuring a tail-wagging experience like never before. From smart collars that track their every move to interactive treat dispensers that make playtime extra special, we've rounded up the best in class for this year. But before we dive into this canine tech extravaganza, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit that like button so you never miss a bark-worthy review. Your support keeps our tails wagging and our content positively amazing. Let's make your pup's life more exciting. Subscribe now and let the adventure begin. Let's dive into the world of pet tech with our first contender, the Mighty Paw Smart Dog Bell 2.0. Embark on the potty training revolution with the Mighty Paw Smart Dog Bell 2.0. This isn't your average dog bell. It's a futuristic, interactive tool designed not just for potty training, but also for training your dog to signal when they want to go outside. Say goodbye to scratches, whining, or barking, as this smart dog doorbell acts as a dog alert bell, saving your sanity and door trim. Installation is a breeze with no special skills required, and its wireless design allows you to use it anywhere in your home. Plus, it's water-resistant for both indoor and outdoor use, making it a versatile tool for your furry friend. Now let's move on to our next featured product. Pawgoes brings you a pet bed designed with utmost precision, considering factors like weight, seasonal adaptability, and age characteristics. The multi-layered memory foam mattress and enclosure provide a stress-free state of relaxation for your pet's bones and joints during sleep. The bed is not only comfortable, but also designed to resist pet saliva and urine, solving problems for elderly pets. With its high-quality memory foam molding technology, Pawgoes ensures your pet gets the feeling of cloud sleep, making them more active, energetic, and passionate. Now, let's explore the third product in our lineup. Step into the future of pet feeding with the PetSafe Smart Feed Automatic Feeder. Control your pet's meals with the smartphone app, scheduling up to 12 meals with personalized portions. The slow feed option prevents digestive upset by dispensing food slowly over 15 minutes. Worried about Wi-Fi drops? Fear not, as the optional battery backup ensures your pet gets their next scheduled feeding. Easy cleaning is guaranteed with dishwasher-safe components, and the feeder is made of BPA-free plastic and stainless steel. Your pet's mealtime just got a tech-savvy upgrade. On to our next cutting-edge product. Introducing Clawmate, the world's pioneering 10-in-1 smart dog trainer. With 2 training modes, multiple leash uses, grooming capabilities, white and UV lights, and IP68 waterproofing, Clawmate takes pet training to the next level. Equipped with waste bags and a water bowl, this versatile device is a must-have for every pet owner looking to enhance their furry friend's training experience. And now, the moment we've all been waiting for, our top pick. Experience the ultimate in pet monitoring with the Petcube Bites 2 Wi-Fi pet camera. Watch your pet in stunning 1080p Full HD video with a 160-degree ultra-wide-angle view and night vision. Communicate with your pet through high-quality two-way audio and even toss treats remotely. The quick 2-minute setup supports both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz Wi-Fi connections. With built-in Alexa, control your smart home devices and even order your pet's favorite treats. This pet camera is a game-changer, providing real-time sound and motion alerts, making it a must-have for every pet parent.